This is how to play So Will I by Hillsong. The original key of the song is the key of D, which is this key right here. But in this video, we're going to break it down on the key of C sharp, which is this key right here. Okay, I'm going to start first by playing it to you guys on the key of D, just a little bit so that you can remember it. And then we're going to break it down on the key of C sharp after that. So on the key of D, it says, God of creation, there at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of light. And as you speak, alright, I believe you can remember it. So we're gonna break it down on the key of C sharp. It's a very simple song. It has 3 verses and 3 choruses. So the chord progression that you're going to play on your first verse is the same progression that you're going to play on your second and your third verse. And the chord progression that you're going to play on your first chorus is the chord progression that you're going to play on your second and also in your third chorus. Alright? We're gonna start first by breaking down our first verse. Our first verse starts on this chord, on the key of C sharp, okay? This is our number 4 on the major scale of the key of C sharp, also known as F sharp major second inversion, alright? From 4, it goes to 6, which is this chord, second inversion. From 6 to 5, second inversion, which is this chord. From 5 back to 4. That's very simple. That's our first verse. It just moves from 4 to 6 to 5 back to 4. Alright? That's what you're going to play on your first, second, and your third verse. It's very, very simple. So when you play your number 4 on the right, on the left you also go to 4. When you go to 6 on the left, you also go to 6. When you go to 5 on the left, you also go to 5, and then back to 4. Okay, this is what it says. God of creation, there at the start, before the beginning of time. Ba-na-na-na-da-da-da-da, with no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of light. So before we jump to our chorus, we're gonna have to play 1 and 5, and then we start our chorus right on the score, number 1. Right? Remember, I said our first verse is 4, 6, 5, back to 4. For us to go to our first chorus, we're gonna start first by playing 1. On the left, you're gonna play 3, while you are playing 1 on the right. From here, you play 5, and then 1. You start your chorus right on this chord. As you speak, from 1, first inversion, it goes to 6. From 6, it goes to 5. From 5, we play 1 root chord, and then 4. From 4, it's 6, and then 5, back to 1. Our chorus is a bit long, but it's not complicated. Alright, I'm gonna repeat it again for the last time. It's 1, 6, 5. From 5 to 1, and then 4. 6, 5, 1. Okay, so let's introduce our bass. When you play your number 1 on the right, on the left you also go to 1. When you go to 6 on the left you also go to 6. When you go to 5 on the left you also go to 5. But when you go to 1 on the left you go to 3. And then 4. From 4 to 6. From 6 to 5. From 5 to 1. Alright, this is what it says. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planets fall. If the stars were made to worship, so will I can see your heart in everything you've made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. Okay? It's not that too complicated. So I'm going to start from the beginning and play the whole thing. Alright? It starts right here. Our first verse. God of creation, there at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonder of light. We go into our chorus. You play 1, 5, and as you speak, 1. 100 billion galaxies are born. In the vapor of your breath, the planets fall. If the stars were made to worship, so will I. So will I. Back to 1. I can see your heart in everything you've made. Every burning star, a signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. Okay, from there it goes to our second verse. God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or void. For once you have spoken, all nature and science follow the sound of your voice. To our second chorus. 1, 5, and as you speak. Alright, it's quite easy, guys. So if you found value watching this video, please drop a like. And if there is a song that you want to learn, a gospel song that you want to learn, you can leave a comment down below. Mention the name of the song and also the singer. Okay, until we meet again, God bless you.